Good morning. Good morning. You ready for school? Whoa. I'm gonna steal a couple of those. That's a lot. You need a snack also.
Marshmallows.
Not marshmallows.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that fell out of my pocket. Just kidding. It was in Layla's bag.
It was in my wallet.
Purse. Okay, run and lay it. Let's get moving, children. Layla has a little market coming up where her class all like make something or they do a service, and then have you been earning money?
Not yet.
Not yet, but you will. And they'll put together like a little market and sell things, and Layla's gonna make ornaments.
But it's fake money. It's fake money.
Yeah, it's fake money. Yeah, right. Winston did this also,
And I made Santa Claus.
He drew a bunch of cute Santa Claus. Oh, bye. Just gonna show you guys a deer that we found getting Gage's license permit. Oh my gosh, Gage has his permit. That's so cool. You're so close to driving.
I'm driving.
Well, with a mom or a dad or a parent or an adult. Wait, who can you drive with?
Myself, if I want.
No, you can't. If you don't want your license. I would like pull up a little bit so you can pull back.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is a little weird to be driving with Gage. I feel like it was just barely that we were driving with, that Braylee was just first driving. Because she actually didn't get her license until she was 17. You can get your license when you're 15 here.
Daddy's 15.
So wild. But Gage won't get his until he's 16. That's still a year earlier than Braylee. But
Still way better than Braylee.
I'm not gonna lie, I did feel safer driving with Braylee when she had her permit.
Why?
Because she was older. And Braylee is such a cautious driver. And you've been great too.
Do I get out right
You've
here?
been really good at driving. No, keep going straight.
I feel like I'm a better driver just by
You're a really
myself.
good driver. Yeah. Well, it's always scary driving with someone else because you feel like they're like judging you.
Yeah.
When have you driven by yourself?
Never.
Well, you know now that you need to be really careful driving through here because there are a lot of deer.
Yeah.
So,
Last time I drove through here, it was right here where I saw the deer.
yeah. I've also driven through like the mountains here and there were a lot of deer. I was like, holy cow. Oh, there are more deer over there. That's wild.
Those were statues.
I think that was your turn, but it's fine.
That's like driving around.
You can take the back roads.
Yeah, the back roads are sick.
Then it is so pretty here. Also, it feels a little safer than merging onto the freeway.
Is it right here?
No, you're gonna have to just take this road. These are all like neighborhoods. But watch for deer.
Watch for stupid drivers.
And stupid drivers, yeah.
Myself.
You've done a great job.
I'm a good driver.
Do you feel safe, Layla?
No.
I feel pretty safe.
How's your day going? I hope it's going good. I'm gonna tell you how you guys have just changed everything for me. I've had such a good couple of days. I uploaded a video at the beginning of the week just talking about how I was just so ornery and I could not like get out of this, like I just felt so down and I felt so upset, and you guys cheered me up. So thank you. I'm grateful for how it was taken because I didn't want to be like complaining and poor me and like everyone. I just feel like it's important to share hard times too. Sometimes with social media, it's been so bad for me lately. I know when I'm watching social media, everyone's lives look so, was he chewing on something? Everyone's lives look so great and they look like they have it together and they're like, their house is already decorated for Christmas, and it's, I don't know, it just can get to you a little bit. And maybe not everyone. I am a little emotional. I feel like I haven't been super emotional this pregnancy until the past few weeks, and I've been extremely emotional. And so I think that all those things are just making me feel like, I'm a disaster. And so I always want to share when things are a little challenging around here because that happens often. I don't have it together. But what I've learned is that it's okay. It's okay if you don't have it all together. That doesn't mean that you're a bad mom or you're failing or anything like that. It just means like right now, you don't have it all together. And if you're like me and that has been how like 75% of your life has been, that's okay too. It works. My kids are happy. We all love each other. Things are still flowing and fine. So I'm having a good day, and thank you so much. It really meant so much to me. I was, like I said, I'm emotional, so I was just in tears. Happy, happy tears. So thank you.
What happened?
Everyone is awesome and amazing and nice. Oh, Layla and I are heading to Costco.
Wait, hold on.
Layla had shorts on. I said, go put some pants on. It's cold. Did she ever? Just bundle right up. Nice. Okay. Before we walk out the door, I was coming into my laundry room really quickly because I need to rinse my clothes. And here's the little tip that I just learned on Instagram. All you need, I think, is like 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent. In my thing, I was measuring it, and then I realized that right here it says like normal, and I just go a little under that. That's all the laundry detergent I use. I was like going past max. My kids' clothes are dirty. Our clothes are smelly, dirty, and I was like, we need to really get these clean. But if you use too much laundry detergent, then there's too much soap and your clothes don't get cleaned properly. So you only need that much. And along with this tip, they said only use that much, wash your clothing like normal, and then rinse it. Do the rinse cycle 1 to 2 times. And that's going to get your clothes really clean, and it works. I've gotten stains out of clothes that I couldn't get out. My clothes always smell so much better. It works. So try it if you feel like me. I was like, our washer's broken. Our washer doesn't work. Our clothes are never clean. It was me. It's me. I'm the problem. It's me. I was using too much. Oh.
I'm ready. Like, I'm prepared. I have my hat, my gloves.
Okay. So
I think some shoes.
so are you like, let's go? Okay, there's something about Layla that you might not know, but I want everyone to know. It's the cutest thing in the world. Layla, 9 times out of 10, will have her shoes on the wrong feet. Almost 10 out of 10 times she'll have her shoes on the wrong feet. You can't feel that?
No.
That doesn't feel weird?
It feels comfortable.
It does?
Yeah.
I cleaned my laundry room, and this is happening again, but we're going to get this taken care of, right? Yes.
Yeah. Like, last time you cleaned it, it just got a mess again.
I know. That's what happens. Nothing stays clean around here. Okay, so try this with your laundry. Rinsing it. Everyone's asleep, and I'm just on my way to bed also. I just wanted to end by again saying thank you so much for all of your kind comments on my last video. I can't tell you how much it meant to me. I love hearing from you guys. I posted a picture today on Instagram also, and I asked everyone who was pregnant to comment, and my face hurts from smiling, and I've just been crying reading about all of your pregnancies and what you're going through, and if you're having a boy or a girl, and it's just so fun to share these moments together. The past few days has just been such a beautiful reminder of what is really important, and I'm so grateful for that connection, and I'm truly, truly grateful for everyone here watching. And I hope that you know I care so much about you also. I love hearing about how things are going for you and you know what's going on in your life. So thank you for sharing that with me. I'm just feeling very, very grateful. So I wanted to say thank you one more time. And I also wanted to end the vlog showing some fun things that Braylee's been up to. You guys, we are close to only 1 more month until Braylee gets home, and I couldn't be more excited. I've been missing her extra the past few days, and it just makes me so happy to know that we are like almost counting down to weeks instead of months. And it also makes me happy to see all the fun memories that she's making. So I wanted to share some of those with you guys. So on the vlog there, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
We're leaving Panama on a boat. We're all gonna die. Look how wet Hi guys, we're in Panama, and I'm just gonna show you around where we're staying. This is me, Val, and Sarah's room. It's really messy. This is our last day here. So for the past 5 days, we've been deathly ill. So I haven't filmed yet. But now we're finally feeling better. Now that's our last day. And this is our view. It's so pretty. We live, or not live, but we're staying in this like hotel, and every night they have a different theme, and tonight's Filthy Friday, which means everyone's bar hopping, but we're not bar hopping because we don't drink. So we're just going to the last stop, which is at our hotel.
We're just having a dance party.
We all put glitter on in our hair, on our eyes, and we're in swimsuits so we can jump in the awesome ocean. We're so excited.